We want the area of the shape. So what's triangle? I need to work out the height of the triangle. So I'm going to use Pythagoras. So I've called my height x. X squared is 9.5 squared, subtract 7.6 squared. Which is 32.49. Opposite of squaring is square rooting. So x is 5.7. So the triangle is half the base of 7.6 multiplied by the height of 5.7. Which is 21.66. The semicircle is half a circle, and a circle is pi r squared. So half multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius. Now 5.7 is the diameter, so I need to divide that by 2 to get the radius of 2.85. So the area of the semicircle is a half multiplied by pi multiplied by 2.85 squared, which is 12.7587. And then I need to add my two areas together, so add on the 21.66 gives me an answer of 34.41879, which I can round to three significant figures, 34.4. 50 or 60, well, there are 5 50 millimetres and 2 60 millimetres out of a total of 20. 7 out of 20. Less than 35, well, 8 are 30 and 1's 25, which makes 9 out of the 20. She takes a random nail and replaces it, and then takes a second. Each have a length of 60, so the probability the first one is 60 is 2 out of 20, and the probability the second one is 60 is also 2 out of 20. 2 out of 20 multiplied by 2 out of 20 is 1 over 100. Total length of 80, well, she could pick a 40 and another 40, or a 30 then a 50, or a 50 then a 30. So to get two 40s, there are 4 out of 20 of those. To get 30, there's 8 out of 20. 50, there's 5 out of 20. 55 out of 20. 38 out of 20. And we're going to add up all those probabilities. So 4 out of 20 multiplied by 4 out of 20 plus 8 out of 20 multiplied by 5 out of 20 plus 5 out of 20 multiplied by 8 out of 20 gives me a final answer of 6 out of 25. Direct proportion, so D equals K times, that's my direct proportion, T squared. Put in my initial value, so D is 8, when T is 4. So to find K, I need to divide by 4 squared, so K equals 8 divided by 4 squared is 1/2. So my formula is D equals 1/2 multiplied by T squared. And I'm going to use this formula when D is 50. So 50 equals 1/2 multiplied by T squared. Opposite of multiply, divide, so 100 equals t squared, opposite of square, square root. Square root of 100 is 10. Find the area of the parallelogram. We can split it into two triangles, two identical triangles. And the area of a triangle is a half AB sine C. And we'll want two of these. So I want 2 multiplied by a half by the two lengths, 8.9 multiplied by 6.7 multiplied the sine of the angle between them, which is 74. 2 multiplied by a half multiplied by 8.9 multiplied by 6.7 multiplied by the sine of 74 equals 57.320. Three significant figures, 57.3.